Looking for a lightning cable that just works every time? The Amazon Basics MFI certified Lightning to USB-A cable promises full compatibility with a wide range of Apple devices, from the latest iPhone 13 series to older models like the iPhone 5, plus various iPads and iPods. That means you won't have to worry about connection issues or charging delays. What sets this cable apart is its durability. Designed with an extra layer of protection around both the Lightning and USB ends, it resists fraying and wear. It's been tested to withstand bending at a 95-degree angle over 10,000 times, so it's built to last where many others fail. This is especially useful if you're constantly on the go or have kids who aren't gentle with cables. The compact connector head fits easily with most phone cases, so you don't have to remove your case every time you plug in. This simple feature saves time and hassle, making daily charging smoother and more convenient. One of the best parts? You get 12 cables in a single pack, each 4 inches long and finished in a neutral gray. This is perfect if you want spare cables for your car, office, or different rooms at home. Plus, having extras means you're always ready to charge wherever you are. Customers have praised these cables for their reliability and the Amazon Basics warranty. Many users report free replacements even after a year of use, which is a rare offer compared to cheaper off-brand cables that tend to fail quickly and offer little to no support. This peace of mind makes the investment worthwhile. If you've struggled with flimsy cables that fray or stop working, switching to Amazon Basics MFI certified Lightning cable could save you money and frustration over time. It's a straightforward, dependable solution that covers all your Apple device charging needs. Worth a look if you value durability and hassle-free charging. Whether for yourself or as a practical gift, this 12-pack covers all bases without breaking the bank. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience. Ready to stop wasting money on cables that don't last? The Amazon Basics Lightning to USB-A cable delivers solid performance, compatibility, and warranty support. It's a smart choice for anyone who relies on their Apple devices daily.